is really an important thing for Afghanistan to see. Like previously they have trusted that Fazal Farooqi to do it, quick run taken. So it'll be interesting for Fazal Farooqi to do that once he has not been able to.
Believe in yourself, have that confidence. Smack straight. Straight down the ground, but not middled. Two again. Four would have been lovely from...
with that particular delivery.
Full toss. And it's in the gap. It's going to be through for four. So that full toss bisects those two men at a backward square leg and a deep mid wicket. That makes a difference. That makes things change.
For the first four deliveries, Shadab kept on moving away from the leg stump, and this time around he slightly moved toward the middle, and the length was created to be able to hit the ball into the vacant area. And what a timely boundary.
You're chasing something 15-14 in the next over, you will see your chance.
Oh, another full toss. Oh, that's terrible news for Afghanistan. It's gone for six. The full toss has gone for six. What'll be interesting to see is if there's a follow-up call of no ball, which was very possibly on, because that looked to be above waist height as well. But that is so well put. Now, I'm sorry, that should be called no ball as well. It's clearly above waist height. Shadab knows that. 6 balls left, 11 runs needed. Oh, Farooqi. Oh, Farooqi. Well, this will get tongues wagging all over the world. Do you want to do it this way? That is the question everyone will ask. Certainly not the first time, certainly won't be the last. Shadab would have been ever so keen to get on strike. Now, it's a question of where. The laws have changed. It's a question of how far into the action Farooqi had gone. Had he gone over the perpendicular, then this could be overturned. If Shadab is proven to be on his way too early, then whether you like it or not, the laws of the game say that is out. But they've got to check now to just check the exact point that Farooqi had got to in his action. Now, at that stage, he hasn't got anywhere near completing it. But Shadab is not watching the bowler. But it's clear to me that Farooqi had this in mind all the way. Yes, it might be game awareness that Shadab needs the strike. He's going to be looking for the single. And at no stage does Farooqi try to complete the action.
Yeah, you spoke about tongue wagging. That's within the laws, and he's out.
Now that's been hit well. That's been hit very, very firmly. So Pakistan with just this one wicket left with Naseem and Rauf. It's Naseem on strike. He has hit that beautifully. They're still in the game.
Yeah, it's reminiscent of that T20 game. T20 World Cup game between Pakistan and Afghanistan, where Afghanistan was winning and Naseem Shah was the man who shattered the dreams.
Yeah.
I beg your pardon, it was Asia Cup.
Someone is getting excited. It's okay. Yeah, that was Asia Cup. It was Naseem Shah. It was Fazal Farooqi. An almost similar situation. It's only this time that out of maximum, it's boundary that he's hit the first ball.
Well, he misses that one. This time, Farooqi takes that little bit of pace off. Runs the fingers over the top of the ball. Yeah, is Naseem good enough to find? Is just brilliant. Miscue. They have to take the one. They can't turn the one down. So it means that Harry.
But for Pakistan, one maximum can seal the fate of this game. Mickey Arthur looking tensed. The Pakistan think tank looking tensed. The game has come down to the wire. This is such a wonderful finish.
Well, so much on the line for the series itself. Afghanistan's record against Pakistan. So far in ODIs, Afghanistan have never beaten Pakistan. This is their best chance, but it's so close. Big hits. How far's that going to go? Is he going to find the goal? Oh, it's turned. Oh, the drama. One runs past it, the other one dives behind him. Was it going to be 4? No, it was just tipped back inside the boundary.
3 runs closer, Pakistan. 3 runs closer.
That's absolutely good fielding from the backup fielder, Noor Ahmad, because he slipped initially and Noor Ahmad was behind him, had the awareness, stopped it, and 1 run can be really, really crucial at this stage of the game. Certainly saved the boundary.
Well, extraordinary events out there. First fielder overran it as the ball pitched and win the game. If the scores are tied, guess what?
Super over.
No, just a super over.
Okay, it's not going to be that long, eh?
Steady on, steady on.
Oh, my word. I mean, again, they're taking their time, and this is what you have to do in these situations. Forget all the rules about time and the time available. But we're into the last over. We're into the last 2 balls. Oh.
Farooqi got greedy with the last delivery. He bowled seam up, provided that pace to the batsman to work with.
Right, where's he going to aim? There's men at long on, deep mid-wicket, deep square leg, long off. Oh, it's gone through the gap at slip. Afghanistan are frustrated almost at the absolute final moment. Pakistan somehow, with just that 1 wicket left, have found a way to win this game, have found a way to keep their record against Afghanistan intact. And Afghanistan, although they can be so proud of everything they've done today, will be so disappointed that right at the final moment, that cruel outside edge denies them victory.